Welcome to your morning market update. Nifty rises on TCS results and cooling US inflation, record highs in S&P 500 and Nasdaq, Fed rate cut hopes, and key levels ahead of the union budget. After wavering for two trading sessions, GIFT Nifty is on the rise this Friday morning. The positive catalysts. 1. TCS Q1 meets streets estimate as the firm posted a 9% rise in its net profit to 12,040 crore rupees. Revenue from operations also surged 5.4%, stood at 62,613 crore rupees as compared to 59,381 crore rupees same period last year. TCS order book declines 18.6% lower from the $10.2 billion in the year-ago period to $8.3 billion. 2. US inflation cools further for the third straight month to 3% in June, the lowest in 1 year, and below market expectations of 3.1%. 3. The S&P 500 and Nasdaq continue to hover at record all-time high. 4. The biggest positive catalyst, Fed can cut rates before inflation hits 2%. 5. The street suspects that there could be more fireworks in store for investors as all bullish eyes turn to the Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman's union budget in the Lok Sabha on 23 July at 11 a.m. Bottom line, investors are positioning Fed rate cut in September. The clock is ticking for a September US rate cut. Nifty, CMP to 4316. Key intraday support on Nifty is placed only at 24,167 mark. Immediate resistance is placed at 24,461 mark. Range for the day is between 24,200 and 4500. Bias for the day is positive. Bank Nifty, CMP 52271. Interweek support is placed at 51,900 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 53,357 mark. Range for the day is between 51,905 to 700. Bias for the day is neutral. Nifty, CMP to 4316. Support, 24,200 to 24,100. Resistance, 24,500 to 24,600. Range, 24,200 to 24,600. Bias, sideways to bullish. Bank Nifty, CMP 52271. Support, 52,000 to 51,800. Resistance, 52,500 to 52,800. Range, 52,000 to 52,800. Bias, sideways to bullish. The Reserve Bank of India's RBI, Governor Shaktikanta Das has said that it is too early to talk on the interest rate cut due to uncertain economic environment and inflation remaining close to 5%. So, all eyes will be on India's CPI and IIP data will trickle in on 12th July. India's retail inflation eased to a 12-month low of 4.75% in May 2024. We will however spy with one big eye if the food inflation slips below 8.69%. Q1 results to trickle in. HCL Technologies Q1, 12th July. Avenue Supermarts Q1, 13th July.